The Funderbeam is the global startup funding and trading platform. So we help companies to raise funds globally, which means that from the global investor base, and when investors invest, they invest with liquidity. So the difference between the Funderbeam and Kickstarter, first of all, Kickstarter is only crowdfunding platform. So you could fund interesting ideas, but in return, you don't get any equity. You get either access to the new product or download some prototype of the product or get the wearable you're invested as a prototype in early phases. So it's kind of the emotions-based investments. Funderbeam provides access to the equity of the startup through the investment vehicle, but nevertheless. And the second difference between Funderbeam and any other equity crowdfunding platform is that we have the trading possibility. So you as an investor don't need to be in this illiquid assets called startups for 9 years, 10 years, but you can cash out whenever you want because there is the trading possibility. The power of the Funderbeam platform, this means that we can operate in any countries in case we apply the local rules. And right now we operate from Estonia, but we serve the global market. This means that also the Slovenian companies can raise the funds through Funderbeam platform, but the power of the platform is that the Slovenian company can get global investors. Because just this morning, the Funderbeam back office said that we have investors from 82 countries.
Znači, ulaganje samo je vrlo jednostavno. Par klikova mišem da bi se čovjek registrirao, naravno osobni dokument za to da bi se znao Know Your Client Anti-Money Laundering, da se indikacija i ako lead investor koji je zapravo spona između investitora i između startupa pozove na obvezujuću ponudu, znači stvarno da se uplati se novac i indirektno se postane investitor u startupu.
Well, Slovenia is one of those startup countries in Europe. It's a well-known startup culture. It's well-known to the not just for the Europe, but for the world. So we hope that we could bring more capital to the market so that the Slovenian companies can raise international funds without leaving Slovenia as the headquarters. So that